Hello and welcome. So today we're going to learn how to create carousel effortlessly. So what I need you to do is go on Canva. How do you get to Canva? Just type on your browser Canva, CANVA, and if you don't have an account as usual, sign up. So it's going to bring you to the screen. You're going to have this home screen here that says all projects. You click. If you're using it for the first time, you're not going to have a project. But if you've been using it, then just like the project that you've done. So what we need to do is on the left hand side, you see templates. So click on templates, and then you have this screen. Now search for Instagram post. If you look closely where you have explore template, you see Instagram post among all these models. But if you don't, that's okay. Just type Instagram post and click on it. And then it's going to give you different templates. You can pick any template at all. So let me show you what I mean by pick any template. You like some templates that you see and you want to like repurpose it for your brand, just select one of it. So let's select one. So this one I like. So once you click on it, it says customize this template. So click customize this template and it's going to bring you to the screen. Now scroll and see, okay, what do you need to change? Just look at it, review it, that's it. Just say, okay, this is really nice. How can I make it mine? So how do you make it yours? You just begin to change the words. Leave it the way it is. Just do it gently. So this, you put your cursor on the first, like any of the designs that you select, just put your cursor on it. Can you see that it has like highlights because you put your cursor on the text? For every time you put your cursor on the text, it's letting you know that you can edit on it. So if I put my cursor on 5 content ideas, I can edit this. So I'll just double click with my mouse, and then that's highlighting it, so I can now write whatever I want to write. Okay. Or another way to do it is, let me undo. How did I undo? Look at this button on your top left. That's the undo button. You just click on it. You even see it's written there, undo. So just click on it and it will change it. So you can just put your mouse inside, delete, and write what you have in mind to write for your for your content. The same thing you do. That's it. If you have to change the image, this one is kind of tricky, but you get it, I promise. All you just need to do is probably click on the mouse and delete, and then you can leave it by changing. Maybe you want to change the color. You just look at the top, you see background color, you can change it. Okay. But if you want to put your picture just the same way it was, all you need to do is, let's undo back. You remember the undo button. So we'll go to upload, which is on our left hand side here. Click on upload, and then we'll find our image, and then it's going to appear. We'll click on our image, and then we try to fix it nicely, and then drag it to fit the entire screen. But don't worry, I know you're saying, oh, it has blocked everything. Yes, it has. So what you will do is you just put your mouse on it. See, my head is cutting out and I want to make me fit into the screen. So I'll use the crop icon, which is on top. You remember that once you put your cursor on it, it's going to give you all the icons that you need. So just look for this square that is crop. Now it will allow you fix yourself. And once you've done that, it's okay like this. Now we need to fix it into the picture. So you still have your mouse on top of it. You have the icons. Just click on position. Then it's going to give you this option on your left hand side. So click on to back. It's going to take you to the back. Okay, so it has brought us to the back. It has put the image at the back. Now you can begin to design your carousel. You put the name, maybe for example, what do you want to talk about? 5 tips for healthy living. You just write whatever you need to write, and then you also replace here, and then of course you write your name, and then you move over to the next. The same thing we did, the same process. That's how you write your carousel post, and that's it. And when you are done, you now download it to post on Instagram. How do you download? Look at your top right, the button share. You click on it, you're going to see download. So you click on download, and then you have to make sure it's on PNG, which is the file type PNG, and then pages. You download all the pages. Depends. If it's all 7 pages that you have worked on, you download it. If it is just 4 pages, just make sure you are selecting the page that you want to download. And then when you select it, you click on done, and then you click on download. And now you can go over to your Instagram and make that post. So I hope this was helpful. Bye. I'll see you in my next class.